Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to change your Gmail address. Google is gradually rolling out a feature that allows users to change their Gmail address directly. This feature may not be available for all accounts yet. To begin, you need to open your web browser. You can go to myaccount.google.com, or you can also go to the Gmail application and launch it. Ensure that you're signed in with the correct Google account whose email address you wish to change. Click on the profile picture icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Once you're here, go to the section of Personal Info from the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find your account details. Click on Email option. Look for the Google Account section, which is indicating Google Account email. Go ahead and select your email. Go through a verification process to ensure that it's your account. And then there you'll get the option of Change Google Account Email. Select it. And now in this page, you need to enter the new Gmail username that you want for your account and then click on Change Email. Your Gmail account email address will be then updated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.